computer. His creative mind has come up with endless marketable ideas, but he says without the computer managing his time, the majority of those ideas wouldn't have a chance of getting off the ground.
Right now, I live by this system. I've replaced my personal management system and my personal secretarial system with a computer. It gives me my schedule. It even tells me what time I should be doing something every day. And I can't tell you how much fun it is. I get a printout in the morning. It says 9 o'clock do this, 10 o'clock do this, 11 o'clock do this. And even though I'm a creative person and I enjoy having my freedom, somehow I know when that program comes out in the morning that if I get everything done at the end of the day, I've succeeded.
Some people say I'm a puppeteer. Some people say I'm unemployed. Really what I am is an inventor.
None of those labels seem to fit Aaron Fechter.
Airplane model. See, it's got aluminum foil on the inside. It's got my flying wings on the outside. I can also wear this in the rain. The aluminum foil makes it possible. Thank you.
At first glance, most people would find it incredible that anyone would take this man seriously. Let's face it, some of his activities appear a little bizarre, to say the least. But make no mistake, although his approach to life and work may be a little unusual, his success at both is nothing short of phenomenal. At 28, he's responsible for employing well over 200 people, and his corporation's income tops $20 million per year. With his research lab, studio, and factory located in Orlando, Florida, he's building his dreams so fast that the group of talented people he leads has to run just to keep up at times.
He changes his mind a lot.
But run they do, and none seem to mind the pace. As a matter of fact, Aaron's business of building and programming audio animatronic shows, or electronimation as he calls it, has grown dramatically since a rather bumpy beginning in 1976. Starting off with $5,000 borrowed from his father, Aaron constructed his first basic electronic character. And since that day, his life just hasn't been the same.
Luck is what got the ball rolling. Okay, like the luck found me the right people. So I got real lucky and found the right people. And those people got more people like them around, so our team is sort of a unified, lucky team for that reason. With the rocket fire explosion, they wanted to see my dream come true of having a mural on that wall, even if it was for only one day. It would be very nice for Dr. Phillips to join with me in supporting the arts. The rocket fire explosion is a true art form that was born in Orlando, born right here in this building. So it would be very nice if we were able to get along and they were able to support the arts by at least not trying to crush one little guy, me.